Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Autocad course. This is 13th lecture, part 2 of the Autocad course. In this lecture, we will discuss three most important commands in Autocad. First, we have rotate command, second, stretch command, and the third is very important, array command. So let's we start our topic. First, I will draw here. I selected the practice layer here. I will draw the rectangle here. No, I will show you first the rotate command. For rotate, we have two options. Just go to modify. Here you will see rotate option. This is. Just click it to rotate. Then press enter. Select the object. Then press enter. Now rotate, specify base point. So you can specify any base point which you want to rotate it. Here let me pick this base point, so I can rotate it an angles at anyone if I desire. If you just want to rotate it at 90 angles, just switch off the ortho mode. Switch on the ortho mode by pressing F8 button. Now it will rotate just at 90 angles. So if you want to make it rotate at all angles, at your desired angles, then press F8 to switch off the ortho mode. Now you can do it. I will now switch this rotated triangle at this angle. So let me use other option for rotate command, which is RO, short key. So you can rotate it. Here I will show you the press enter, select the object. Now select the base point. Let me pick this base point, or you can pick the center, anyone. Let me pick this. Now you can specify the angle here on which you want to rotate it. Let me rotate it at 45 angle. Just enter here 45, press enter. Now you will see you pick the point, base point, then you rotated it at 45 angle. The rectangle is rotated at 45 angle according to your picked base point. So this was the rotate command. Let's we discuss another command, which is stretch command. For stretch, one option you have, go to modify here. This is stretch option. Other option you have the short key for stretch, ST or stretch short key. Pick this, then select the object, then enter. Now you can stretch the object where you want to stretch it. Okay, this is the one. Other easy option and more usable. Just select the object, pick the object. Now you can see these blue points on your rectangle or any object which you will select. You will see these blue points on it. Now you can stretch your desire at which you want to stretch it. So, okay, you can pick any point to stretch this rectangle. This is stretching command, very important also. Okay, so this is how you can stretch the object. Okay, let's me remove this. So we just discussed the stretch command and we also discussed the rotate command. So let's me discuss the final command, array command. But before it, I will draw the rectangle here and one circle here to show you guys. Let me move this because they are so close. Let me move this, enter. So I will move this here. Now let me show you array command. But before using array command, must set your snap tool. Just go to here in this option, okay, or just type OS short key O snap. Okay, here you will go in the O snap object snap, pick, select all these, check all these boxes, select all, check all these boxes, make sure to check all these boxes. Okay, then in the snap and grid check these boxes also. Okay, then polar tracking, here also check this box. Okay, this will track your cursor and will show you the center, mid and the end points on your object where you want to use the any command. Let me show you now array command. Make sure to snap settings. Okay, these are all okay. Just snap. Okay, so let's we start array command. Just type or you can go to modify. Here click array and there are three types of array: rectangular array, path array, polar array. Polar array is very useful. It's mostly used. It's also called as a circular array. This is path array and this is rectangular array. This is one option to select the array. Other option is we have short key. Let me show you. Just AR array select. Okay, this again go to array. Oh, pick that the object which you want to rotate. Select the object, press enter. No, select array. Here just pick the center point. Now you will see the rectangle is array, polar array around the circular. Let me assume this is a table, circular table, and these are the chairs. These are not, just I am showing you how you can draw these interior designing using polar array. So here you also have many other options. You can select associative, base point, items, angle between these, angle, rows, levels, rotate items. You can select any one. Please try to discuss each here options by yourself. Try them to practice them. Okay, so we just defined the three commands here. So our this topic is finished. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for next.